Hi, welcome to Bizplay. In this video, we'll show you how to create your own weather forecast page. Let's start by creating a new page from the dashboard. Click Add in the upper right corner to add a new page and rename the page to Weather Forecast. To start editing in the Page Designer, click on the page and click on Edit. Add the weather forecast to the page by clicking on the Weather app. Under Weather Properties, customize your forecast by setting the desired location, for example, Amsterdam. We can also choose the unit, Celsius or Fahrenheit, and select either an hourly or daily forecast. For now, we'll set up a 4-day forecast that also includes wind speed. To make the page more dynamic, you can add animations like having the weather forecast fade in when the page loads. Now let's center the content by resizing it and dragging it to the center. Finally, let's set a background image for our page. Click on Page Settings, then click the folder icon and go to the Pexels tab. Search for Weather to find an image that suits your weather forecast background. When you've found the right one, click on Use this image to apply it. Now that everything is set, click on Save and back to save the page, and you're done. With these simple steps, you've just created your very own weather forecast page.